Hi there, Will Rice with the Tips team bringing you another after school special. Today we're going to be talking about a great new update to Google Sheets that changes how you might get notifications when changes are made to a sheet that you own or even a sheet that someone would like to share notifications with you from. In the past, your options for notifications were here under Tools and Notification Settings. Your options really were to get notifications whenever an edit was made, on the entire page, or when a form was submitted. You could only get that as an email right away or a digest once a day. You did have a few other settings in here, such as the ability to go in and get notifications from comments and also some conditional notifications. These new conditional notifications are what we're going to be talking about today. So when you go under Tools, you'll see here the section that says Conditional Notifications with the little new icon attached to it to let you know that this is a new feature. So let's click on that and see what it does. This now opens a side panel that allows us to add notification rules. So let's say that I have a sheet where I keep track of students who've requested meetings, and perhaps I would like to share parts of this. Maybe someone's helping me book these, or I need to share this booking information with someone else. What I can do is come in here, for example, into the booking date column. I select that section, click Add Rule, and now we'll see that Rule 1 we can call whatever we like. And if anything changes in these cells in column C, it's going to send an email notification to up to 10 people. You can either have those emails set up in the spreadsheet where you can add a column. So you could even have this send this back to the user that made the submission, or you can manually type in your own email address. For example, myself here, or other users who might also need to know that a booking has been made, potentially, because the meeting is for them if someone's booking on your behalf. You can do this for an unlimited number. So if I save this rule here, I'm going to get notifications for column C. Then perhaps for column D, if I was going to have someone pick perhaps Mark's review, and if it's Mark's review, I would like somebody to know that, I can go ahead and highlight that section, click Add Rule, name it an appropriate name so I'll know what it's doing. And now here in column E, I can add a condition. For example, if I was talking about Mark's review, I could click Text as exactly and type in that exact word string. Slide down so that anytime the text is exactly called Mark's review in column E, it'll go ahead and send that email notification to the names I type in here again. Perhaps this person would like to know that I'm doing a Mark's review with a particular set of students that we share. And go ahead and click Save to complete that action. These new notification rules will help you more discreetly get notified about what is happening. And when the email comes to you, it won't just say a change has been made, it'll show you the change in that cell. It's to give you an idea of how important it is for you to check that document right away. Hopefully these new notification rules help you work more efficiently in Google Sheets if you share sheets with others or would like more discrete notifications about changes to sheets that you've created. And as always, if you have any more questions, you can go to tips.epsb.ca for more support videos on other topics, or to find your tips consultant to talk to for more details.